Hello, welcome to my channel. On this video you're gonna see me fitting a beauty clinic for my customer. Here is the sink unit. I'm fixing a tap on it. The room we're gonna fix this sink in do not have hot and cold water or the sink waste. We have to bring the hot and cold water here and take the sink waste out from here as well, because you're gonna see later on this video. I'm making some marks here. I have to remove skirting from here to fit the unit with the wall, because it's not going exactly with the wall, so I have to remove this skirting. So that's basically, there's the toilet here, this side. So there's another basin unit here. So I'm thinking to take hot and cold water from here. I'll make a hole straight through from the wall, from the outside. Take the hot and cold here, and then I'll show you from the outside. So basically, hot and cold water. It's a toilet here. Behind this, the toilet. So hot and cold water gonna come out from this side somewhere here, and then we have to pick all the bricks, and then we'll take it in here. See, this is the hole. So that's behind of that new unit. So we'll take it hot and cold water from this side and take the waste out, and we're gonna bury the waste inside here, and then hopefully we'll take it straight through into this one here. So this is the plan. So see what happens. I'm making some marks here to take the sink waste out. Here is the sink waste is in. I'm pushing the unit back onto the wall. That's the flashback behind the sink. Filling the silicone into the gaps to make sure no water leak after. Adjusting the water flow here, making sure the water going through nicely. So if I have any problem before I bury these pipes, I can fix it. The water was flowing very nicely. I'm happy with it.
Take this wire out. You know the wire? Okay, one second. Yeah, like this. Okay, bismillah. You done that? No, leave it like this. It's okay. We have to take it. Put it on the hammer. Wait. Let's go here. There's no going inside. Just make it with the pencil or something. Oh, 1 second. Bismillah. Here on the hammer. Yes. Change. No, here we go. 1 second. Lightly, yes. Let's go light underneath. No, with the big one. This one we're going to do this one. plastic one. How do you do this?
I'll tell you what to do with them because they are.
Just put it like this. Let's see. Let's put it on the wall. Don't need to do it. It'll come automatic. That's it. I think we're
John.
the door. No, no. Yeah. Okay. No, just you keep on this line. You keep on this line. That's it. I'll do it. Yeah, okay, like. That's not okay. No, you have to see the on the back side. I think some cotton balls. I will have to put it up. 24 and quarter. This is the middle. This is the middle. This one is top from. It's about 29 and a half. If we want to top here, then we want 29 and a half down. 29 and a half. 29 and a half down. So this is the top of the choice one. Okay. But this one wall is small.
Yeah.
It's not too big wall.
It's inside wall. It's too small. This wall. It's solid but small one. So we're doing too much inside. I'll do with this one. I can see here it is good. That's it. That's it. Here.
So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, easy. Okay, no. Okay, sure. No. You hold this. Oh, put your foot. That's it. Let me show you. Crunch.
Here is the final look. My customer is really happy. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, share and like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.